me show you the front end work that I've done on Winkle. You can see right away that I've put the new brake rod control joints in the back that were bad. There were recent replacements of the upper control arms, so we installed new shock absorbers and of course rebuilt calipers, new flexible brake hoses, and brand new Zimmerman rotors. So this front end is ready for a long cross-country trip. On the rear end, we replaced the rear shocks with new Bilsteins, new sway bar links, new flexible brake hoses, rebuilt calipers. These are new, recent replaced rotors, and new ceramic pads.